nature created us and endowed us with life. For millions of years, she has bestowed sunshine and rain upon us. Wandering in the forest wilderness, basking in nature's abundance, enjoying the breath of life, crossing mountains and rivers, we embrace nature and are embraced. Wind and frost chilling, rain and snow falling, we kiss the earth. Nature connects us to life. When the warmth of fire dances, we feel nature's bounty, enjoying everything nature grants. But upon opening our eyes, we find ourselves cooped up in an urban jungle, trying to get used to this indoor life of metal and concrete. Gradually, we lost touch with her. Perplexed as we are, never have sunshine and rain forgotten us. Our eternal pursuit is for the deep blue sea, the verdant jungle after spring rain, the soft earth after heavy snow. We can feel the purest experiences she brings us. From a piece of seaweed that is baked until it tastes just right, to the delights of fresh salmon. We struggle to grasp the true meaning of life. Choosing the modern way does not mean alienation from her. Feel the fresh taste and bounty, pure and pristine. All returns to nature. Mdiea, bring nature home.